Hi, Kate. This is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. Cyrus spoke with my employee, Amber, and said that we could send you this video. I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to use Google's language on your website so you can start bringing in more customers for free. We're doing this because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska, so I do understand a lot of the struggles contractors face, as well as I understand business owners being too busy running the business. They don't have the free time to sit in front of the computer every day and keep up with the internet and how they can use it to bring customers to them. And the biggest thing we've found that holds owners back from hiring out-of-house marketing agencies is not knowing which one is going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we really believe in giving that value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. There's still been a lot of owners who reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff completed. So if after this video you see we know our stuff and you're confident we can help your marketing team deliver you good results, then go ahead and give us a call back just to chat. Otherwise, if you want to take the information and make changes yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm here to talk about 3 quick points today: content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your website here. You guys actually have an amazingly informative website. It's a good looking site. You've got the click to call number. The phone number isn't click to call, but the service warranty might lead to it. You've got your form filled out. Like this, it's a good looking site. Now, this appearance is for the customers. Google is not ranking your site based on appearance. Google is using bots called crawlers that are scanning all the content within your site to try and find keywords to rank you for in the search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage and at least 500 words on each back service page. You also want to use a rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want 100 words of content. When you have your site built this way, it will do 2 things. It shows Google you're an expert in the industry, and it's going to have Google putting your website at the top of more search results, which means more business. An example of a keyword is just replacement windows. I'm not doing area specific because you guys have different areas you service. But the first thing customers really see outside of the ads is a Google Map Pack or Google My Business. To get your GMB optimized because they are geographically based, you're going to want to make sure you have your Google My Business set up for each service area you cover. You want to get your contact information, photos, and website in. Once you have that, you need to get your information into citations, online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB. There's thousands out there, but to rank in the top 3 here, you want to be getting your information into at least 100 directories more than your competitors, because the top 3 or 4 is where the customers will call the most for the map pack. Now, down here is the organic search results. The entire first half of the first page here is actually being rotated by Google in a Google dance for the first position. But I do see, because some of these are just window suppliers and manufacturers, I do see Andersen coming up again, renewal by Andersen for their Andersen windows. So I'm going to go ahead and use them as your competitor for the remainder of the video. Here we've got their website pulled up, and we can see, they cover a lot of locations. I know that they do serve Alaska as well, but they're just all over the place here. So seeing that content side of things, you can see you can beat them on content. For the other side, we use a paid tool called Ahrefs. This is showing what's happening on the back end of your website. So your homepage has a ranking of 39, and the entire website has a domain ranking of 30. These ratios are out of a 0 to 100 scale, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. And the ranking is coming from the backlinks. A backlink is just when another site online is linking to your site and pushing traffic to you. This is a way Google gets competitive, so please be cautious. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to avoid spam links, and before you link to a site, make sure it's high ranking and relevant to the industries you service. You have over 5,500 backlinks coming from 747 sites. You have 5,000 keywords, and all of this is giving you 4,000 traffic a month. I also want to point out you're running a lot of ads. You're also targeting competitor names on some of the keywords. Some of them don't show buyer intent, though, as well. Like, what is vinyl siding made of? I saw that one in here. And you've also got what to do if my roof is leaking. French windows cost. I mean, you want to make sure you're going for good buyer intent because you're paying for every click. And you also want to make sure you're focusing on those keywords that are area specific because, like residential flat roof construction, you shouldn't be having to pay 35 clicks every time for that, for $35 for every click. So just keep an eye on your keywords. Make sure you're getting that good return on investment. That's a really important part for running ads. But like I said, all this is giving you about 4,000 traffic. If we take a look at Renewal by Anderson, we're going to see a stronger site. So we've got our work cut out for us because what we would do is search through their 238,000 backlinks to find the highest quality ones and put them onto your site to give you that ranking. Then we'll hunt down backlinks none of your competitors are using that are high ranking and put them on your site just so you're dominating the market. Their links are coming from 3,300 sites. Currently, they have 30,000 keywords, and all of this is giving them over 55,000 traffic a month. So you can do the math on how that works out. You can see they get a lot of business. And it's easy to do. You guys can definitely get there. You've got a lot of service areas. You offer a lot of different services. You just need to get that full ranking and authority from Google so you can pop up at the top of more searches. So recap, you're going to want at least 1,500 words on the homepage, at least 500 on each back service page. Use that rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want 100 words of content. Then you want to create Google My Business spots for all the service areas you have, and make sure you get your contact information into at least 100 directories more than each of your competitors. And you want to make sure that you go and get high quality backlinks that are high ranking and relevant to the industries you service. With these steps, you'll be ranking #1 across Google. I know it was a lot of information. I'm sorry the video went a little long, but you can take it, apply it yourself. This is totally okay. Like I said, free education. My team is really just looking for the feedback. We want to know if we're delivering good value in these videos. If you did want any help getting this stuff done, though, because you see the value in it, something you guys are already doing in your marketing team, and you guys are pretty booked up, but you want to get more business, give us a call. We'll have a chat, see if we're going to be a good fit together, and we can get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or even employees if you need to grow the crew. My partner will follow up in the next few days to get your feedback, so thanks for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you got good value out of it. Take care.